Obushomesa kandi oli omuhwezi wa chairman Opiyo niko kubagambira ngu buli omwe aine kushashura sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 1.5 okugira ngo babase kuhibwa emirimo eyi district yabire erangirire. Opiyo akabagambira okumusindikira sente aha namba eri omu mazina g'omukazi we ngu bitu bwanyuma kusindika sente tibaratungire na mirimo. Oli omugambirizi wa polisi omuchange cha Albertine Julius Alan Hakiza yagambira abanyamakuru ngu ahambuge nkuru eza polisi ya Hoima niho babasize kukwatira vice chairperson kandi ngogu bamukwasire bari kugira ngo atwire na yeshara abantu aba okuruga omwaka ogwahwire. Hakiza nagira ngo obwahati bamutireho orubanja orokutunga sente omuringo gutashikire niko kumutwara aha polisi eya Kikube.
Yes, it's true. We did our part. We got this information that the chairman LC5 extorted the money from applicants. They had waited long, they did not say their names out. So they came and reported the matter to police, and one of the applicants had sent the money via the mobile phone contact of the chairman's wife, the one a chain. So we yesterday we arrested him.
Hakutandika okwesabiteji President Museveni obwaba nayiguraho okweherera kwa ba minister hamwe n'abandi bakozi ba government omuri Kyankwanzi akagamba aha bushomanguzi oburi ombebembezi hamwe n'abakozi ba government abari kushaba sente aha abantu abari kwani bende mirimo.
The corruption we are facing now has got two dimensions. One dimension is the stealing of government money, taking bribes from the public to provide government services, misusing the procurement procedures to cheat the state, and corruptly handling personnel issues, e.g. nepotism, and selling government jobs.
Imran Tumusime or RDC wa Kikube nashobora ngo Opiyo akwasire banyuma yo kuragira okwa DPC wa Kikube ngo kana n'intekateka zo kumutwara mukoti zahwire.
Mazima polisi yaitu ya Kikube yakwasirege akura vice chairman wa district ya Kikube umukuru Opiyo recent habwa okukwata abantu babiri akabayo sente.
Bunayongera gira ngo kwezo kwahwire bakakwata secretary owa Waxi ahabwa Kikube Ruth Kobsinje ahabo kushaba sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 10 ahakuruga aha muntu owabiri nayendo murimo ngo bito gwakijana bwanyuma yarekurwa aha police bond.
Kandi okukwata ko Opiyo kugaruka hali okukwata ka omuhaba member ba deke wondi akweto Ruth Kobsinje twasangiye tukwasire enyuma haho hamwe na commissioner anyakuri akateba kagaba emirimo mu Kikube bayiro omuntu omukyala miliyoni 10 nawe bamuniza nti bajja kumuha umurimo ogu committed moment officer ogu batamuhaye.
Ogunayongera ashoborora ngo kuchondoza kureni kugeno misho ahari Zuria Nyakahara ori secretary owa finance awa Kikube nawe ahabo kuya sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 1 aha muntu ndijo owabire nayendo murimo. Peter Banura or chairperson wentebe ya katano yajumirire Kikorechi ekyobushomankuzi.
But even the people doing these vices, at times it is inbred. How bringing is very important for our viewers. Now bringing we have from our families, from our homes, from our businesses, also escalates this corruption tendency.
Makuraga gasha kwa gada saba ahabwa Sky TV omuri Kikube.